In this video, I'll show you how to improve AI responses in Google AI Studio in 2026. If Gemini is giving you responses that are too short, too long, unclear, or different from what you expected, improving your prompts and settings can make a big difference. First, open Google AI Studio on your PC or laptop and sign in with your Google account. Start a new prompt and clearly describe what you want Gemini to accomplish. Avoid using vague instructions. Instead, explain the task, provide context, and describe the exact result you want. For example, instead of asking, "Write about digital marketing," you could say, "Write a beginner-friendly explanation of digital marketing with 5 key strategies and a short example for each." Next, define your preferred output format. You can ask Gemini to use headings, bullet points, numbered steps, a table, or another structure that makes the response easier to read. You should also specify the tone. Tell Gemini whether you want the response to be professional, friendly, conversational, technical, or simple. Another useful technique is to provide examples. If you have a specific style or format in mind, show Gemini an example and explain that you want the new response to follow the same structure. For complex tasks, break your instructions into smaller steps. This makes it easier for the model to understand what should happen first and what should happen next. After generating the response, review it carefully. If something is wrong, don't simply start over. Tell Gemini exactly what needs to be changed. For example, you can ask it to make the explanation shorter, add more examples, remove unnecessary information, or rewrite a specific section. You can also experiment with the available model and generation settings. Depending on your current Google AI Studio interface, different models and settings may be available for different tasks. When working with factual information, ask the AI to clearly distinguish between known information and uncertain information, but remember that you should still verify important facts yourself. If you're creating an application, test your prompt with many different inputs. This can help you identify situations where the AI gives poor or unexpected responses. Finally, save prompts that consistently produce good results so you can reuse and improve them later. And that's how you can improve AI responses in Google AI